Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we'll be discovering on installing a web server or an application to use the application web server services. So we'll be doing the ISS, or known as the Internet Information Services, to create a web server using Windows Server 2008 running in a local network. So let's first install web server ISS. So to do this, you need to go to roles, add roles, and need to install web server ISS. But I already installed it, so we don't need to do that. If you're gonna install it, it's just gonna press next, and so on and so forth. So we will, after installing, it's gonna show off in the administration tools, right? Or just search it. There. Then we will see you already created with the server. So there should be a site. So you just need to add website and create a web server. So here we already created a website. If we add a site again, you need to put the site name, physical path, and host name, so on and so forth. But we already have a default website, so that's fine for now for the demonstration. And afterwards, we're going to computer. Then we're going to look at this in a pub. There should be a www root, and there's an index here that will open your website. So to test this, since you already created everything, by the way, the website is created in um, wait, here. The website is created in HTML. Anyways, you need to go to Internet Explorer, and after doing that, it should it should put tupt.landsat.com. Then it should show your website rather than inputting your IP. So to do that, you need to go back here, go to your default website, explore, it's already here. It should take something like an options here that will determine your installation. But for me, it's already automatic. So here's our website. And afterwards, if your web server is open, you can open your website anywhere from your network. So let's say I'm gonna open it on Windows 7. I put my domain. It's gonna take a moment to load. While it's loading, I'm gonna also input it on Windows XP. So what I'm going to do is just find the Internet Explorer and just put your IP there. So there, I already the IP the website is here open in Windows 7, and then in Windows XP it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna be open too since there's already a header there. So program highlights, Mr. D, and support. There you go. It's open in Windows XP. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.